So we have actively started the recording for today's meeting, and with that's it. So for everyone who are present in the meeting today, Club Executive Committee is the driving committee of any Toastmasters club, which runs the club and it organizes all its meeting, ensures all the members and the guests are comfortable and move forward with their education goals in the Toastmasters curriculum. This is the committee which organizes and hosts every single meeting, either virtually or in the physical world when we will restart, and will be responsible for clarifying any doubts, maintaining club finances, club documents, and any other organizational processes. In the club election, there are 7 official posts as mandated by Toastmasters International. The first of which is the post of president, followed by vice president education, which is followed by vice president membership, followed by vice president public relations, followed by club secretary, followed by club treasurer, and finally followed by the club sergeant at arms. The detailed role of this has been briefed in previous meetings to all the candidates, so I will not be going over what these positions entail and why and who should be nominating for these roles. I hope that all the participants, candidates who have already nominated or who wish to nominate on the floor are well aware of these positions, their responsibilities and the powers that come with them. Just to remind again, the club elections will be hosted in the following order, as I mentioned before, of the specific role. So first, we'll be going for president, which will be followed by vice president education, which will be followed by vice president membership, which will be followed by vice president public relations, which will be followed by club secretary, which will be followed by club treasurer, which will be followed by sergeant at arms. Elections will be organized in this fashion. Any candidate is allowed to participate for any number of positions as acceptable in let's say club committee. However, uh, uh, but one member can only contest for one particular position, not contest but rather can only finally stand and can only eventually be elected to one executive committee position. And so for members who will be nominating themselves for multiple roles, they may remember, just your reminder, if you are chosen for the role which is at the higher, let's say, which comes in the preceding order, then you will not be able to contest for the second role. For example, let's say Toastmaster Varshit is contesting for president and vice president education. And if I'm elected as let's say president, then I will not be able to contest for the role of vice president education anymore. And your candidature from that contest will be forfeited. Apart in all the positions will be filled by, let's say, election by majority by active made members of the club. In this particular election, me and Toastmaster Manoj, who had been part of the let's say election committee, will refrain from voting for anyone in this position. So apart from that, and guest Siddhant, who is present with us today, everybody else is eligible to vote in today's meeting, and as well as guest Shiv, who has also recently joined back. So guest Shiv and guest Siddhant, you will not be eligible to vote, and so for that sake, I will take some technical precautions just to make sure that doesn't happen even by chance. Also, guest Kunika, I believe guest Kunika has also joined in. So please do let us give us a shout out and let me know any guest who is present and have missed their name in the meeting. So let us know so that I make sure that the no guest unwittingly votes for any of the candidates. As in the club elections, only the duly paid members of the club are eligible to vote. Apart from that, in a particular election, for a particular post, the candidates who are standing for that position are not eligible to vote for that particular position. So for if I am me and Toastmaster Manoj are contesting for the position of Vice President Education, neither of us is allowed to allowed to vote for the position of Vice President Education, and the remaining members of the clubs, excluding the guests, will be voting for the position. Uh, every candidate is allowed to make somewhere between 0 to 2 minute speech to make a case for why they are a good candidate for a particular position. You can make speeches for every role you're nominating. So you will be going in the order of the position, and you can make a speech for every role. Just a reminder, making speech is optional. So you may or may not choose to do so. However, it is highly recommended because that does
Do we have any timer cards?
Yes, I'm coming to that point. Yes, and we'll be and that does reflect the the confidence and the leadership quality necessary to lead the executive committee. So it's highly recommended. Following up on the question of Toastmaster Abhishek, yes, we will be having timing. Unlike our regular meetings, where if you are over or under the time limit, you are disqualified. You will not be made any disqualification from any position. However, we will be putting you on to the mute if you exceed that time limit. So following the typical strategy of Toastmaster international speeches, if we have a, let's say, time limit of 2 minutes, you will be given grace seconds of 30 seconds. If you exceed 2 minutes 30 seconds, you will be put on mute automatically and won't be allowed to speak any further. However, no disqualifications will happen, as I am emphasizing over and over again. That said, yes, we have. I think better way to go about the time. How should we proceed with the timer cards? We haven't really decided to completely. Should we go with the chat box in a typical structure, or do we show timer cards? Timer cards are beneficial because it's easier to keep track of time, but it may put the speaker out of focus. So if people are very comfortable with pinning the screen, I recommend that we go with the timer cards. If anybody thinks differently, please do let me know in the chat box or shout it out and let me know, and we can clarify and agree with the mutual convenience. If any of the candidates think that they would prefer timings to be done in the chat box, do let us know. We would go with that. Otherwise, we'll be going with the timer card. So with it, Toastmaster Abhishek, following upon what you said, for the timing, green, yellow, and red cards, we'll be following the our table topic system, which will be like you will be shown green card at 1 minute, yellow card at 1 minute 30 seconds, and red card at 2 minutes. And following after that will be won't be given any warning. If you just exceed 2 minutes 30 seconds, you will be just put onto the mute automatically. Okay, thank you, Toastmaster Manika, for your confirmation. Following upon that, when the particular position is contesting for, all the candidates for that position would be put out into the waiting room and will be brought back once the polling is over. Following another, so for before the date of election, that is today, December 20th, 2020, we have received nominations for almost all the positions in the club executive committee. That said, in the club elections, on the floor nominations are also allowed. So if you feel that you haven't nominated before, but you feel that you could be suitable person to contest for a particular role, we will be giving you a window of around 30 seconds to nominate yourself for a club for a particular role. After that nomination window for on the floor has been passed, there will be no further deliberation on who can contest, who cannot, and only the previously nominated people and the on the floor nominated people will be allowed to contest in the election. I hope I am clear till this point. And anybody has any doubts or confusion, do let me know. I will be announcing the names of the contestants in the alphabetical order based on their last name for every position. And one by one, after I will be speaking out their entire full name. And once their full name has been spoken, I will invite them to come onto the stage and make a speech and as forth. And then we'll be conducting the elections moving forward. Toastmaster Riksha and Toastmaster Radhima and Toastmaster Manoj, please do let me know if I have missed out any points. You are quite experienced members. I have done this before many times. So do let me know if I've missed out any point, or any of the contestant or candidate, if they have any doubts, confusion, any points I may have.
I think Manoj sir is not.
Hello?
I think Manoj sir is not here.
I think he joined it, but his audio is not connected. He's here. Okay.
Yeah, he's here by District 41.
Yes, he's by District
Yes,
41.
I'm here.
In terms of the speeches, I would again recommend that if you can keep your video on, that will be great. It's completely your prerogative if you want to keep it off in the interest of bandwidth and other stuff. However, it would be highly recommended if you could keep it on. So let me do a final confirmation who will be eligible to vote and who won't be eligible to vote. So presiding officer Toastmaster Varshit will not be voting. Guest Siddharth, you're the co-host, you won't be voting. Guest Shiv, you won't be voting in the this today's election. District 41 or Toastmaster Manoj, you will not be voting in today's election. Toastmaster Harshvardhan, you will be voting. Toastmaster Deepak, you will be voting. Toastmaster Devansh, you will be voting. Toastmaster Gauri Shankar, you will be voting. Toastmaster Manali, you will be voting. Toastmaster Monica, you will be voting. Toastmaster Mukul, you will be voting. Toastmaster Radhima, you will be voting. Toastmaster Abhishek, you will be voting. Toastmaster Ajay, you will be voting. Toastmaster Reksha, you will be voting. Toastmaster Gaurav, you will be voting. Toastmaster Ravi, you will be voting. And Toastmaster Kirti will be voting, except for the positions you have nominated for. I hope that clears up confusions and any challenge in that, confusions on that. Is anybody has any confusion or misunderstanding? If not, I assume that everybody is clear on the processes and procedure of the contest. Okay, my bad. Elections. So I think with that we would officially like to move to the elections of today, and for that we will be moving on to the first election of today's meeting, of today's election, and that would be the role of the president. Okay, for the, as you all know, role of the president is the most important role in Club EC. And now I will be announcing the candidature in the alphabetical order of their
Actually,
last.
sorry to interrupt. There is some voice from backend, please.
Excuse me, whoever is using is having a background noise. Please to keep yourself on mute. In fact, if you're not the speaker, as in our all Toastmasters meeting, I would recommend you to be on mute.
Varshit, you can mute all, I think.
I think I'll probably go with that. Mute all. All right, everybody's been put onto the mute. So with that said, we will be, I'm officially announcing the candidature for the post of president. So the first candidate in the alphabetical order is Toastmaster Mukul Agarwal. The second candidate for the post of president for Pink City Toastmasters Club is Toastmaster Abhishek Gupta. These two are the prior nominated members who have nominated themselves for the role of president. Now I will be giving 30 seconds. Anybody who wish to nominate on the floor for the role of president is eligible to do so in next 30 seconds. I will be announcing the last 10 seconds verbally, and you can choose to do so by putting your name into the chat box by saying I wish to nominate and your name. All right, or you could also unmute and speak out the same. That said, on the floor nominations are now on for the role of president of Pink City Toastmasters Club. So we will be waiting for next 15 or 25 more seconds to allow people to, if they choose to contest. Anybody and everybody who feels they are the right person, you are more than, we would be more than happy to accommodate that. Now we are left with last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. So with that, we officially have no on the floor nominations for the post of president. So only two candidates are eligible to contest. That will be Toastmaster Mukul and Toastmaster Abhishek. That said, so with that, I think we will give them now opportunity to come forward and prepare and present their speeches. And once the speeches are done, we will put both of them into the waiting room and then contest the, let's say, the polls, and the final result of the poll will determine who will be the upcoming president.
Varshit,
Alright.
just one point here. I want to make one point that the candidates, when they are making the speeches, so the other candidates, shouldn't they be put in the waiting room?
I was a little conflicted about that. I think in the last election we didn't. I think before that we did. Toastmaster Mukul, Manoj and Radhima, could you confirm?
Physically, in physical elections, we used to do that.
Elections we don't used to do.
Actually, Toastmaster Manoj, we did do that in our last elections, but I think in last election we didn't. I'm not sure if there is a very stringent rule about it. Toastmaster Radhima and Toastmaster, could you just weigh in?
That
Just to also experience here.
used to go in. Yeah, pretty right. Yeah, we can do that. We can send one candidate as a speech.
All right. Okay. So, all right. So I think from the senior members it as a recommended. So what will happen is effectively when a candidate is giving the speech, all the remaining people contesting for that position will be moved to the waiting room. Okay. So effectively by going in the alphabetical order, we will be inviting Toastmaster Mukul to come onto the stage. And during this period, I will be sending Toastmaster Abhishek to the waiting room. And I have put Toastmaster Abhishek into the waiting room as confirmed. Now with that, I would like to invite Toastmaster Mukul Agarwal to come onto the stage and present his speech. I will put you into the spotlight as well as share the screen. Toastmaster Mukul, would you like to share, unmute and start your video? Fantastic,
Yes, Varshit, I am doing same. Wait a second.
fantastic.
Am I properly audible and visible?
Yes, you're audible and visible. So with that,
Okay.
I'm starting your time now.
So very good morning, election chair and all the fellow Toastmasters. So it's been a 6 month I have been running behind every member of the club to take up a role or nominate yourself for the role. But today I have come for a different purpose. Purpose is very clear to help me vouch for a role, that is role of president. I have nominated myself for the role of president, irrespective of fact that it is such a challenging task. But as it said, great challenges comes with a great opportunity. So I took a step forward to take this opportunity and make sure to change this opportunity for the long term and short term goal will be attainable for the club. During my Toastmaster journey, I have represented myself for the role of Vice President Education Secretary and also BPPR. Also, I have completed level 3 in innovation planning, and I want whatever I have learned to be implicit in each and every member of the club. Because for me, not only me, but also every member of the club is a face of club, and I want it should be looked minutely. Moving forward, I want to excel in team building skills so that I can bring the vitality in the team of rest 6 people. Let me give you 3 key reasons why should you vote for me. First reason is my professional background. I have 3 years of experience in the field of sales, including team handling and the in the client handling, and I want to use these skills to coordinate with all of you people. Second reason is I love networking with the people. During my BPE role, I learned this role a lot, and I want to grab the right opportunity for the club from division and district director. And third reason is my honest and loyal intention. I could see a tremendous change in me, and I want to create an awareness where Toastmasters can lead you. I aspire that we grow as a leader and our club grow as a public speaking army. uh, I ensure that I ensure I want to create an awareness that Toastmaster platform can lead you. And being a president, I assure that I will imbibe the unity. Not only this, I will also assure that each and every member step out from their comfort zone and take the most juice out of it. If you think I am the right person for the club to vote for me, vote for the change. Let the word know P in Pink City Toastmaster Club stand for the
Thank you, Toastmaster Mukul, for your speech. Unfortunately, we had to cut you off for a second there because you went a little over time. Let me also fix a little bit of my background processes so that they don't show any more distraction to any more speakers. Okay, I've done that. With that, Toastmaster Abhishek, are you back into the room?
Yes, I am back in the room. Can you please check the video and audio?
I will confirm that your audio and video is both visible and you're both audible and visible. That said, I
Am
think
I clearly audible?
there is a little lag. I would not lie sometimes. Sometimes it comes fine, sometimes a little. It's entirely your discretion. How would you choose to move forward with that? Okay. So shall I share the screen and start? I am putting Toastmaster Abhishek onto spotlight for everyone. And just Okay, so I believe everybody can see Toastmaster Abhishek in the spotlight. If not, now officially I will start your time, Toastmaster Abhishek.
Let me know once you start.
Toastmaster Abhishek actually started.
Let me know once you start.
I actually did.
Can you restart it?
Okay, can you please start speaking? I'll start with your first spoken word. Okay.
Dreams are not those which you see in sleep. They are those which don't let you sleep. Those are the words by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. And those are very true words. In last election, I was the only one who stood against the worship for the presidential post, but I lost. I had a dream of becoming a president in last election, but I lost with a big margin. From the next day, my dream of becoming a president getting stronger every day, every night, every moment. But I lost. But why? Because I was not ready. But today, I am ready because I am the only one who has the maximum number of attendance in the PCTC Toastmasters Club. To become a leader, to be a leader, you have to present in a club to lead the club. I am the only one who bring the idea of joint meeting in PCTC Toastmasters Club. I am the only one who bring the idea of monthly awards in the PCTC Club by taking the permission from the Delhi Toastmasters Club. I am ready because being a club growth director, I will be in the direct contact with our district leaders, division directors, including our area directors for the benefit of the club. Being a club growth director, I can go beyond the boundaries for any cost for the benefit of the club. Being a member of a PCTC Toastmasters Club in last 6 months, I have tried to bring the best in the club by giving the money heist, premium link, PCTC premium link for the first time in history, and also club growth and the pathway session from the district leaders. As a member, it is a big achievement, and we created history in the whole Division C in Rajasthan. But what are my plans for the next 6 months? First plan is to bring the mentor-mentee program in first month, that is in January. That is written in my full book, and the book is ready for the complete 6 months of the program. Second, to bring the most prestigious President's Distinguished Award, which we missed in this tenure. I am sure I will be bringing it in the next election. My third plan, there will be a special council in the Toastmasters Club for the benefit of the club excellence and the members.
Toastmaster Abhishek, unfortunately, you exceeded 2 minutes 30 seconds, so we'll have to put you on mute, unfortunately, as per the rules. That's it. I hope you all had a pleasant time listening to both Toastmaster Mukul Agarwal and Toastmaster Abhishek Gupta's speech. Now, I will be putting, for in the benefit of everyone, I will be putting all the guests as well as all the contestants into the waiting room so that there is no confusion about voting and not voting there. So with that said, so I am moving Toastmaster Abhishek to waiting room. Toastmaster Abhishek has moved into the waiting room. I'm moving Toastmaster Mukul into the waiting room. I'm and guest Siddhant and guest guest Shiv. I would also have to move you to the waiting room. Okay. Right. That's it. We can see that. Please confirm that no other guest is present in the meeting right now. Can anybody just, if anybody is there, please let me know. Toastmaster, me and Toastmaster Mukul as
No, there
co-hosts
is not.
of the meeting. We will not be voting inside the in the today's elections. So with that, I'm starting the poll for the post of president right now. Two people who have not voted, please do so. There is one person who hasn't voted. Please do so. If that person is, I believe. So that's it. We will be concluding the election now. Okay, effectively, I'll be bringing back everybody from the waiting room. All right, all the contestants and guests have joined in the meeting room. And with that, I would officially like to share the Zoom polls to keep the results completely transparent. And these are the final results. Can everybody see the screens and see the results? Any of the contestant, any confusion or any confusion about the results? Toastmaster Manoj, can you confirm with me? Are the results visible?
Yes, results are visible and we can see that.
All right. So with the, as per the democratic election for the role of president of Pink City Toastmasters Club, Toastmaster Mukul Agarwal has been elected as the upcoming president for the Pink City Toastmasters Club. We have a very big round of congratulations to Toastmaster Mukul. Everyone please unmute and give a round of applause to Toastmaster Mukul. Just a clarification, only 12 members voted because the rest of the members were not eligible to vote. Just a reminder to all the contestants. Toastmaster Mukul, we would love to have few votes, but I think we will wait till the end of the election so that we can have a little bit of votes from all the elected position members. That said, now we will be moving towards the second poll. So I'm stop sharing the poll result. And with that, I will be moving to the role of Vice President Education. To let me know if there is any confusion here in your capacity. So Vice President Education is the second in command for the role of in the club executive committee. But being very honest, that is essentially the person who runs the club in every capacity. So the role of Vice President Education is the most coveted and the most important role in the club executive committee. And for today, for that position today, two of our members have nominated themselves for the role of Vice President Education. So first candidate would be Toastmaster Manali Khanna, and the second candidate for the role of Vice President Education is Toastmaster Monica Sharda. With that said, now I will be opening up on the floor nomination for the role of Vice President Education. Anybody who chooses to contest for the role of Vice President Education, please nominate yourself right away in next 30 seconds. The on the floor nominations have been called out. You have 25 more seconds to nominate yourself. Please make your nominations in public, right, as of now. So that everyone can see it. That's what I say. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All right, fantastic. So we have one on the floor nomination that is by Toastmaster Abhishek. Since Toastmaster Abhishek is moved out of the role of president now, he's eligible to contest for the role of Vice President Education. So we will officially have 3 members contesting for the position of Vice President Education. Just please give me a second so that I can add Toastmaster Abhishek's name to the poll as well. So with that, we will have Toastmaster. So with that, I can officially confirm, yes, Toastmaster Abhishek is added to the poll. So we find, just to remind again, there are 3 candidates for the role of Vice President Education. Going in the new alphabetical order, that would be Toastmaster Abhishek Gupta, Toastmaster Manali Khanna, and Toastmaster Monica Sharda. Does anybody has any confusions in naming or otherwise? To please let me know. If not, we will be going for the let's say speech, calling out individual candidates in the alphabetical order for their speeches. Meanwhile, the remaining 2 candidates will be moved to the waiting room. Okay, so that's it. I'm moving Toastmaster Manali and Toastmaster Monica to the waiting room. Okay, Toastmaster Monica, you would be called last, so you'll be coming last in the. Okay, that's it. I confirm Toastmaster Monica and Toastmaster Manali have been moved to the waiting room. Now, I will allow Toastmaster Abhishek to make his speech for the role of Vice President Education. And that's it. I'm putting you into the spotlight. I am also sharing the screen. I will start your timing with the first spoken word you do. Please, again, a reminder, please keep note of the time. If you have any confusion, let me know in advance, right as of now, so that you do not over exceed your time limit. So if you have any confusion, let me know. Can you see the screen or otherwise? If not, I will start the timing with your first word. Toastmaster Abhishek, you are having a
I
lag.
can see the timing screen. Am I visible?
Yes, you are audible. There is a bit of a lag.
Am I visible and audible?
Can anybody else also confirm? I think I am suffering a little lag on my end. Toastmaster Mukul, can you confirm? Toastmaster Manoj, can you confirm?
Am I visible?
Yes, Abhishek.
Am I audible clearly?
There is some lag according to me as well.
Cool.
All right. So Toastmaster Abhishek, with your next word, I will officially start your timing. All right. Okay, please start.
Toastmasters, as I have already shared my agenda, being a EC member with you as a president, but being a vice president education, there is an equal responsibility for the for the EC member. In the absence of president, vice president education is the only one who takes the responsibility. For the president's distinguished award, there's equal responsibility of vice president education and the president to give their best. I'm still on it. Definitely, being a club pro director, I have to consult with the president and also area director for the benefit of the club what to do the next. Secondly, the plan of bringing the mentor-mentee program in the month of January and for the club excellence will be happening if I elected as a vice president education. Why it is important? Because for the club excellence, we need to improve our quality of the club as we are facing that we are not having activities in our club. Definitely there will be activities in the club. That is why we are launching the club excellence team in next week for the benefit of the club. Second, if I got elected, I will be there for the whole 6 months. I will be there for the whole 6 months, just like last 6 months, and there will be a completely 100% attendance as I was there in the last 9 months since joining in Toastmasters in March. I was the only one who gave the maximum number of attendance. If you can compare any EC or any PCTC member talking about the maximum number of attendance, I am the only one who was there. I am the only one who gave the maximum number of participation in the club. I am the only one who took the maximum number of roles. And last time I was the winner in the monthly awards for the maximum number of attendance and for the maximum number of awards for the maximum number of roles. So over to you. And I hope this time I will be getting the reward from you. It's time to select the best instead electing the VPM as promoting the lower order to upper. It's time to elect the best because it's an election. Everyone is here to give the best. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Toastmaster Abhishek. Though a bit of a clarification when you say done, so that I should not stop the time, but we'll let it go in this particular instance, as you have had sufficient time remaining, anyways. So that's it. Now, Toastmaster Abhishek, I will be moving you back to the waiting room, and I will be letting Toastmaster Manali join the room now. So, Toastmaster Abhishek, you will be moved to the waiting room. All right, Toastmaster Manali, have you joined the room?
Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible and you're visible as well. All right.
Okay. Can I start?
Just a second. Let me put you onto the spotlight first. And can you see the screen as well, Toastmaster Monica? Sorry, Toastmaster Manali.
Yeah.
Okay. You just a reminder: green screen 1 minute, 1 minute 30 second yellow, 2 minute red, and 2 minute 30 seconds. You will be put onto the mute. Okay, effective immediately.
Okay.
I will be starting the timing with your first word. Any confusion or
Okay.
doubt?
No. Should I
All right.
start?
Just start.
Yeah. Mahatma Gandhi once said, "Be the change you want to see in the world." I believe our organization changes life, and by changing lives, we change our world. An year-old Toastmaster I am, and earlier been part of Easy Panel as VPM, I realize it's really much more important and useful as you develop yourself as a leader. And we all are here to improve ourselves and enhance our personal growth in every aspect of our life and be a better person one day. And that's why I am here today. As for me, VPE is not just about conducting meeting. It's a way to encourage people to start their journey as a Toastmaster and help them improve and learn from their new pathways. And from each and everybody's pathway, you also learn new thing. And I think it's my time to serve you only if you give me the privilege. And in short, I would say, let's get it done. This is a time to deliver, and this is a place to commit. Over to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Manali. Now I will be putting you again into the waiting room and inviting Toastmaster Monica for her final speech. All right. Okay. Toastmaster Monica, are you in the room? Yes, you are. That's it. I will be put you into the spotlight. I'll reset the time. And can you confirm? Can you see my share screen?
Yes.
All right. Please do an audio video check. Can you just speak it out loud?
Hello.
Yes, you are audible. That said, I will start timing with your first spoken word. So from now on, please start.
Good morning, everyone. After successful completion of my term as Vice President membership, I, Toastmaster Monica, had nominated for the post of Vice President Education. I know it's a daunting task as it required high level of organization and coordination, but I'm pretty confident that the skill that I have learned as Vice President membership will definitely help me this time as well. Moreover, management being the core area I have specialized into, I rate myself fairly high in skills such as creativity, people management, coordinating with others, and emotional intelligence, which will help me in fostering collective growth. And that's exactly why I believe I am right choice for this post of Vice President Education. So if you feel I am a right candidate, please vote and support. Thank you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Monica. So everybody has heard the speeches from all of our three nominated candidates for the role of Vice President Education. Now, Toastmaster Monica, I will be moving you back to the waiting room once again, where you'll be waiting along with both other candidates. Meanwhile, as last time, both the case, I would have to move you back to the waiting room once again, just to ensure there is no miscalculation in the voting. And that's it. I have moved Toastmaster guest Siddhant, and I'm moving guest Shiv to the waiting room. Can you, Toastmaster Manoj, can you also confirm along with me that no guest or contestant is in the meeting room right now? Toastmaster Manoj, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I was on mute. I can see a name Deepak. Is he the member?
He's a member. He's a
He's
new
a member.
member.
He's a very new member.
Okay, okay.
No, we don't have any guest.
We don't have
We
any
don't
guests.
have any guest.
Thank
Okay,
you very
we
much
can
for
go.
confirmation. Toastmaster Mukul, just one final confirmation. I suppose it's not supposed to happening, but you were not able to see the poll in the waiting room, right? This is a final confirmation.
No, I'm not able to see that.
Okay, thank you. That said, we are now effectively we are starting the poll for Vice President Education now. Whoever has, everyone, have you voted in? I suppose apart from the, okay. So everyone who can vote has voted in. Thank you very much. Now I'm ending the poll, and before I share the result, I'll admit all the candidates into the meeting room. All right, so we are just waiting for Toastmaster Manali to enter the room. And I suppose with that, we have all the contestants and the guests back into the meeting room. Now for the time of declaration of result, I'll be sharing the final poll result. And with that, as you can see, by the majority, it's Toastmaster Abhishek, who has been elected as the Vice President Education for the upcoming Executive Committee. Very big round of congratulations to Toastmaster Abhishek. I'm glad you will serve. I hope you will serve the upcoming EC very well and the club as well. So very big round of applause.
Thank you, Sikher.
Thank you very much. We will go for a round of words at a later stage. For now, we will be moving towards the third position of our executive committee, that is Vice President membership. And going forward, let me announce that so officially for the Vice President membership for the upcoming upcoming Executive Committee of Pink City Toastmasters Club, we have no nominations as of today, as of right now. So with that said, I am opening up. I will be opening up on the floor nomination in a couple of seconds. Just a reminder, all the positions have to be filled by election only. So if today nobody stands up for the when you let's say when you open up the so all the positions will only be filled by nominations by election only, and if a position is remain unfilled, we will have to contest a specific election for that position at a later date, and that is how the position has to be filled. Now I'm opening up on the floor nomination for the role of Vice President membership. Anybody who wishes to nominate for the role of Vice President membership, please do it now in next 30 seconds.
Hey, Varshit, can I nominate myself once again for the same post?
Yes.
Is it fine?
Yes. Toastmaster Mukul, Manoj, can you confirm before I open the nominations? As far as I understand, there are no conflict with that rule.
Varshit, only in case if she was not elected as VPM in last to last.
Yeah, so she has not she's not served for 1 year consecutively. She has only served for 6 months. As far as I understand, any member cannot serve the same role for more than 1 year consecutively. So as of now, Toastmaster Monica, you're eligible. Now I'm officially. Anybody who's saying anything?
No, just Varshit, you can carry on. We know this thing that she can serve that role. So
okay. With that said, I'm officially opening the role nomination on the floor nominations for Vice President membership for Pink City Toastmasters Club. Please nominate in the chat box for everyone to see. Thank you. You have 28 more seconds to do so. You have 20 more seconds. We have 10 more seconds. Anybody who wishes to nominate themselves for the role of Vice President membership? So with that, we are officially closing the nomination on the floor nominations for Vice President membership. That said, so with that said, I think Toastmaster Monica has nominated herself for the role of Vice President membership. Please, can Toastmaster Manoj, can you confirm with me? Is there any other nomination by any chance?
no, there is no other nominations. So
anybody has by any
only-
chance nominated to somebody else's personal window? Can just let me know in next 5 seconds. If not so, we will consider Toastmaster Monica as the only contestant for this position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. So with that, we have officially only one contestant for the post of Vice President membership. And given since there's only one contestant, we will have no more voting for it, because by de facto, rule, Toastmaster Monica will be elected as the upcoming Vice President membership for the Executive Committee of Pink City Toastmasters Club. So big round of applause and congratulations to you, Toastmaster Monica, for continuing in this role in the upcoming EC as well. Thank you very much. That said, now we will be moving towards next for the role of Vice President Public Relationships. So for that, now effectively I'll be announcing the candidature in the alphabetical order. And for the role of Vice President Public Relations for the Pink City Toastmasters Club upcoming Executive Committee, we have one candidature, and that is Toastmaster Gaurav Sharma. Anybody, please, anybody who has a background.
पलंग लहराए था अच्छा
Where is this noise coming from despite muting all?
Can you please mute District 41?
Yes, I think it's we have more muted District 41. So now that's it. Okay, all things said and done. So we only have one candidature for the role of Vice President Public Relationships. That's it. Now I'll be opening up on the floor nomination for the role of Vice President Public Relationships in next 30 seconds. And those people would be eligible to contest for the same particular role. All right. So in next 3, 2, 1, you have 30 seconds to nominate yourself in the chat box for the role of Vice President of Public Relations if you choose to do so. You have 15 more seconds left. You have 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. That said, we have only effectively one nomination for the post of Vice President Public Relationship. So that by the de facto rule, it's our upcoming Vice President Public Relations for Pink City Toastmaster Club is Toastmaster Gaurav Sharma. So a big round of congratulations to Toastmaster Gaurav. You have served well as co-VPR many times. I'm glad that you will be serving as Vice President Public Relations in future as well. It's great to have you. So with that, now we will be moving towards the next EC position. That will be the role of Secretary. For the role of Secretary, we have 2 nominations. I will go in the alphabetical order by their last name. The first candidate for the role of Secretary for upcoming Executive Committee of Pink City Toastmaster Club is Toastmaster Ajay Jangir. And the second candidate for the post of Secretary is Toastmaster Manali Khanna. Okay. That's it. Now I'm opening on the floor nomination for both the roles of, not both the roles, sorry, for the role of post of Secretary. And next, you'll have 30 seconds to vote, do so in the chat box. That's it. Now the timing for the nominations on the floor nominations have started. Anybody who wishes to nominate themselves for the role, you have 20 more seconds. You have 15 more seconds. You have 8 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So effectively we have, let's say, no more on the floor nomination for the role of Club Secretary. So we have only 2 candidates, Toastmaster Ajay Jangir and Toastmaster Manali Khanna. Now I will call Toastmaster Ajay Jangir to make her elections, let's say, candidature speech. Meanwhile, Toastmaster Manali, I will be moving you back to the waiting room. Thank you. Toastmaster Toastmaster Ajay, you are already in the spotlight and you are visible on the screen.
Yes.
Can you see the shared screen?
Yes, Toastmaster Varshit.
Okay, so that's it. Now I will start your timing from the first word you speak next. So please do so.
Okay. Good morning, fellow Toastmaster. I am Ajay Jangir. I was Sergeant at Arms at Pink City Toastmaster Club Executive Team. I played the Sergeant role very well and more than with 90% attendance. I started an energetic meeting and hand over presiding officer diligently. I played multiple roles in club. I believe I am an appropriate candidate for secretary seat. In 2020 beginning, I was leading the operation of 924 Anganwadi in Udaipur. A major task to create a work list of 30 plus teams and coordinate with them. I have the team. Because of them, we made successful completion. I realized maintain data will play a crucial role in the project, and I take charge of data and hand over to it to the ground team on time. This will help us to smooth operation. I manage data of work, internal and external payments, documents, and photos, etc. I believe in change, and change starts with you. I show my action. Thank you. Over to you, Toastmaster Varshit.
Thank you very much, Toastmaster Ajay, for your speech. Now I will be moving you into the waiting room, and where you will wait until Toastmaster Manali finishes the speech and the election for these positions are contested. Wait a second, Ajay Jangir. Now you will be in the waiting room, and that will be bringing back Toastmaster Manali. Toastmaster Manali is still joining into the from the meeting room. Toastmaster Manali, have you joined in our main meeting room?
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible and visible. And now I'm sharing the screen. And with your next
Okay.
word, I will start your timing.
Okay. Should I start?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I would just like to say leadership is an opportunity to serve. It's with this vision I aspire to be your leader. So, I seek your cooperation for nothing can vision and has ability to share it. So, I appeal all of you that we will achieve the goals for the club, but through the united efforts, working hand in hand and shoulder to shoulder. I cannot do it alone. We shall do it together. Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much, Toastmaster Manali. So you have made your speech. Now, effectively, I'll be moving you back into the waiting room, and you'll be there until the election has concluded, along with Toastmaster Ajay, who is already there. Now, effectively, I'll just do a scan and make sure no, let's say no guest is still in the meeting room. So guest chief, I'm moving you to the waiting room. Guest Siddhant, I am moving you back to the waiting room. And so do we have any more guests present in the meeting? Toastmaster Manoj and Toastmaster Devansh, can you confirm?
No, we don't.
We
No,
don't.
we don't have.
You don't have. Okay, so there'll be 12 people eligible to vote in this point, apart from me and Toastmaster Manoj, who will be refraining from voting. So with that, I am going to make the poll live for the post of secretary, and the poll is live now. All right, I think everybody has voted. Now I'll bring back everyone from the waiting room. Thank you very much. Everybody has come back to the waiting room. So now I'm officially sharing the result. And I hope everybody can see the shared results. And with as per the majority by democratic election for the role of secretary, Toastmaster Ajay Jangir has been elected as the club secretary for the upcoming executive committee for the Twin City Toastmasters Club. A big congratulations to you, Toastmaster Ajay.
Congratulations, Ajay.
Thank you very much. Now,
thank you, everyone.
We'll probably go for a round of words at a later stage. Now we'll be moving to the election of the club treasurer. Okay, so now effectively I'm announcing the nominations for the role of club treasurer as per given to me. The first nomination should ideally go to Toastmaster Ajay Jangir. However, since he has been elected as the club secretary, he will be forfeiting from the upcoming election. So no longer Toastmaster Ajay Jangir is no longer considered eligible for the role of treasurer, and therefore I will be removing his name. And that said, The next contestant for the post of treasurer is Toastmaster Vikram Upadhyay. Apart from that, there are no other nominations. So that's it. Now I'll be opening up, let's say, on the floor nominations for the role of club treasurer. So your time starts now. Next 30 seconds. Anybody who wishes to nominate themselves, you have 25 more seconds. Do that in the chat box so for that everybody for clearly to see. Anyone who wishes to? Any of the previous contestants, if you feel you could serve in another role, you're eligible to do so if you haven't won. So you have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Officially, we have no more nominations, I believe. Toastmaster Mukul, Toastmaster Manoj, can you confirm? Yeah, on your end as well?
Yes, I do confirm.
Okay, so effectively, there are no more nominations for the role of treasurer. And so with that, we'll effectively consider Toastmaster Vikram
Can we
Upadhyay.
give another 30 seconds?
What?
He's saying, can you give another 30?
Can we give another 30 seconds for the volunteer?
Why so? It's not sort of unexpected precedence. Toastmaster Manoj, can you help me out here in that with this request?
But why he wants to? It's almost 10-20 seconds already happened. So I don't think there is anyone else for the.
We had sufficient time, and I believe Toastmaster Abhishek, you yourself are not eligible anymore. It's a confirmation. If that's said, I think we officially we will move with the official nomination, and Toastmaster Vikram Upadhyay will be considered the club treasurer for the upcoming tenure as well. Unfortunately, he had an examination, so he could not be with us in the meeting. But no worries. He is considered as the elected treasurer for the upcoming.
I need to confirm something. Toastmaster Manoj, when the person who is elected is not present in the meeting, ideally he cannot be nominated. We need to conduct the elections at a later stage. That's what I know.
Is it so? Because we do remember that the Toastmaster Rashmi once contested and she was allowed to contest long back.
No, Ridhima, it's not like that. If someone wants and he is not available, he can send his video or something like that. Though Vikram has not sent his video, but we consider him because he was earlier also he was holding the same position.
No, Toastmaster Manoj, that will not be a consideration. It will consider afresh.
No. Why he needs to submit his videos? Because if he is having any competition, if he is having some other member is also volunteering himself for the same post. If it is not so, he will be considered as the eligible nominee for that post.
Okay. Toastmaster Akshay, you might want to weigh in. I think it was under your election chairship that happened last time. Toastmaster Rashmi contested, but she was allowed to.
Actually, Varshit, I think Ridhima's point is right. I just want to know whether Vikram has sent his nomination or we are just choosing him because.
No, he has sent his official nomination. He's not been chosen. He's not been chosen for in any consideration. He has sent his official nomination.
Yeah, then in that case, he has to be considered as the treasurer. That is fine. If he hasn't sent the nomination and then we would have chosen him, then that would have been.
No, his official nomination has been considered before the meeting.
In that case, we can consider Vikram as the treasurer.
All right. Thank you very much for your confirmation on your end as well. So with that said, Toastmaster Vikram Upadhyay has been considered for the second time as the role of club treasurer. Big congratulations to him. He'll be continuing his post. Now, effectively, we are coming towards the end of this election. Now, we have the final position, that is Sergeant at Arms. For this, we have 2 contestants for this position. And now I'll be naming out their names in the alphabetical order. Yes, I'm a little bad with alphabets. I was just making sure I had written it right. So the first nomination for the post of Sergeant at Arms is Toastmaster Ravi Ojha. And the second position for a nomination for the role of Sergeant at Arms is Toastmaster Kirti Sharma. All right. So now I'll be opening up on the floor nomination for the role of Sergeant at Arms. You will be given 30 seconds to do so. And if you wish to nominate, please write yourself into the chat box and confirm your nomination. And your time starts now. You have 20 more seconds. You have 15 more seconds. You have 10 more seconds. You have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. So on the floor nominations are now closed, and there are effectively only two candidates for the position of Sergeant at Arms for the upcoming tenure of PCTT Executive Committee. And now I will call out both the candidates to give their election nomination speech. I'll be moving Toastmaster Kirti Sharma to the waiting room in this period. Toastmaster Kirti has been moved. Now, Toastmaster Ravi, I will be putting you into the spotlight. Please turn on your video as well to make sure you get the best interaction with the club members. Toastmaster Ravi? Yes, you have turned on your video. I'm putting you on to the spotlight. I'm also sharing the screen. And Toastmaster Ravi, with your first word of your speech, I will start your timing. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. Your timing will start.
Good morning, all.
It's just a second, Toastmaster Ravi. Your timing will start with your next word, please.
Good morning, all. So I have been the member of Pink City Toastmaster from last 3 months, and it has been a great journey for 3 months, and I want to myself place as a leadership role or executive committee part of. So I think Sergeant at Arms or proceeding officer role is the one where I can start my leadership journey. So, and my mentors also suggest me. So this way I nominated myself as a Sergeant at Arms, and please show your support and please vote me. Thank you.
Thank you
Over
very
to you.
much, Master Ravi. Now I will be moving you to the waiting room, and now I'll be inviting Toastmaster Kirti for her speech. So Toastmaster Ravi has been moved to the waiting room, and Toastmaster Kirti is joining us. All right, Toastmaster Kirti is back in the room. Toastmaster Kirti, I'm putting you into the spotlight. And that's it. Can you see the shade screen? Can you confirm you are on mute, Toastmaster Kirti?
Yes.
So
Okay.
with your, let's say, first word of your speech, I will start your timing. Is that clear?
Okay.
All right, please start.
First of all, very good morning to all of you. So, as you all know, I have joined this club very recently. So, I thought to nominate myself for this position because I don't want to lose any opportunity to learn more from this club. As if I be a sergeant at arms, I'll be given an opportunity to be a part of commencing the process of commencing the meeting, and this is going to be very enthusiastic for me. I can assure you all that I will give my 100% in each meeting, and as every role comes with its own set of challenges, I'm ready for each challenge which lead me to be a better speaker.
Are you done?
Okay.
Thank you, Toastmaster Kirti. I'm moving you from the spotlight, and now I'm officially moving you back to the waiting room. Okay. And so we will be waiting there until the election is concluded. Thank you very much. Toastmaster Kirti has been moved to the waiting room. Now I will again do a scan and move any non-eligible meeting member to the waiting room. Okay, Siddhant, I'm moving you back to the waiting room. Yes, Shiv, I'm moving you back to the waiting room. Toastmaster Devansh and Toastmaster Manoj, can you just confirm? Is there any other guest?
Yes, we are good to go. No guest. No guest.
Okay, I believe if there is any other guest, please let me know. I don't think so. So we have 12 eligible member to vote for this one. I think Toastmaster Manoj has left out. So anyway, I think there'll be 13 official people who can vote for this apart from me. And that's it. I'll be launching the poll for the Sergeant at Arms right now. All right, we have had all the voting. Thank you very much. Now I'll be bringing back every member back to the room. All right, I believe everybody is into the room now. So that said, I'm officially sharing the results of today, the last election for today's in the election. And that is, as you can see, by a democratic majority, it's Toastmaster Kirti Sharma who has been elected as the Sergeant at Arms for the upcoming tenure of Pink City Toastmasters Club Executive Committee. A big congratulations to you. People, you can unmute yourself and now clap heartedly for every executive committee member who has been elected today by your vote and support. Okay. All right. For the record, now I will go back and announce the final results for all of the contestants of the elections once again for clarity. To correct me if I get anything wrong here. So for the role of president by the majority, the post of president goes to Toastmaster Mukul Agarwal. By the vote of majority, the role of Vice President Education goes to Toastmaster Abhishek Gupta. By a singular nomination criteria, the role of Vice President membership goes to Toastmaster Monica Sharda. Again, by the singular nomination, the role of Vice President Public Relations goes to Toastmaster Gaurav Sharma. By the election procedure, the toast of secretary goes to the Toastmaster Ajay Jangir. By a single nomination criteria, the treasurer goes to Toastmaster Vikram Upadhyay. By the electoral criteria, the role of Sergeant at Arms goes to Toastmaster Kirti Sharma. Congratulations to all the winners and the people who did not win. No worries. It was great seeing you coming forward and taking up opportunity to start taking leadership roles, participate in the club. It was a great honor listening to all of your speeches. I wish a very, very warm congratulations as well as best wishes in regards to all the upcoming executive committee who will be serving the club for next 6 months, starting from January 1, 2021 to June 30th, 2021. A big congratulations to all of you. I believe this may now be the time for letting the winners speak. And anybody, but before that, I think we do have few guests and we haven't given enough opportunity compared to a regular meeting. So I would like to invite the 2 guests in the meeting today to come forward, introduce yourself and share some thoughts about the meeting and what your expectations are and how we can help you at Toastmasters. So for that, I would request guest Siddhant to first come forward. Guest Siddhant, can you hear us?
Hello, I'm audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Yeah, it was a great time. I loved it. Everyone's speech that they spoken really well. I loved it. But and this was after the 5-6 months I thought. And but starting stage, what should I do? I think I want to ask this thing.
Okay, so you have some questions about how to join Toastmasters Club and how to get started with our clubs, right? Yes, Siddhant, is that it?
Yeah, it is.
All right. For that, let me just give you a very brief overview. So Pink City Toastmasters Club is a Jaipur chapter of Toastmasters International, and we run the club following the decorum curriculum as well as the culture of Toastmasters International. Our meetings are organized every week on Sunday 10:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. between this time period on Zoom for now, and when the pandemic is over, we'll let you know our meeting menu. For now, for next couple of months, we'll be meeting online. As a guest, you can are free to attend any and every meeting. And in a typical meeting, you'll have much more opportunity to speak and interact, particularly by a session known as table topic session, which is an impromptu speech session. And where you will get an opportunity, to speak on any topic given randomly to you, and have much more opportunity to see other people speak on a variety of different topics, prepared and unprepared. And most importantly, you'll also get an opportunity to see the critical evaluation which is given to each of the speaker, so that they can learn and improve and become better speakers. On terms of getting started, I believe we do not have your contact information. Could you please go forward and share your contact information into the on our chat channel right now, and our current and upcoming Vice President membership Toastmaster Monica will get in touch with you and will brief you in a bit more detail about what the process and how it works like. But in general, we do run a WhatsApp group in which we share all this information about our upcoming meetings, the meeting link and everything. By any chance, are you added to that WhatsApp group? Get to know about this from
Yes, Varshit, he is part of, I guess. He recently had been added to group.
Okay, guess Siddhant, have you been added to a Pink City Toastmasters WhatsApp group? Guess
No,
Siddhant?
it's a group. I added in this group.
You've been
That
added
you
into
said.
this. Okay.
Yeah, there is a link over.
Okay, just for clarification, can you just drop out your contact number 1 second? Toastmaster Monica, please confirm and tally, and then we can get in touch with you again for more details. And
Yes, yeah, sure.
All right, that will be great.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we also had another guest in today's meeting. That is Guest Shiv. You've already been added to the group. Guest Shiv, would you like to come forward and share your thoughts and your a little bit of introduction and what do you think and know about Toastmasters and how we can help you here?
Yeah, hello. Hello to all. My name is Shiv, and before the corona, I was in my father's business. But after that, after the corona, I found something that I always search for. Right now, I am going to start my public speaking course. In the 1st January, I will start my marketing. But I'm very hesitant in English language. So first, I start my course in Hindi, and when I started my course, when I started to learn these things, public speaking techniques and method, then I listen the word Toastmasters Club. Then right now, yesterday I searched the Toastmaster and I found the Pink City Toastmaster Club. Then I joined, and this is the great. And today's session was the great. These all are president, vice president, and all are nice, and I loved it. I really loved it. Thank you, Varshit, and thank you all.
Okay, thank you very much for Guest Shiv for joining in. And if you like today's meeting, then you are in for a big surprise for us, because we are going to have fantastic more meetings. Today's meeting was sort of formal and very organized, but in the upcoming meetings, you will see a lot more opportunity for you to speak, participate, have fun, and learn a lot more than we had to offer today. Thank you very much for joining in. I will also recommend, can you also, for sake of record, can you just share your contact detail with Toastmaster Monica or in general on our chat channel, and we can get in touch with you in more for future reference and conversations, and let you know more about the club, how we work, and sort out any other doubts you have in your mind. Okay.
Yeah. Shiv, are you in a group?
No, yes, he is in the group. He's been added yesterday.
Yeah. Okay. Then I will get back to them.
All right, fantastic. Thank you very much for everyone who joined in, all the members who haven't attended in a while but still came today to vote, to cast their valuable vote, to help out the to make ensure that the election process was smooth, fair, and democratic as much as possible. Thank you very much, Toastmaster Gauri Shankar. Thank you very much for joining in. We hope to see you a lot more in upcoming meetings as well. But I think we haven't had a little word from you. So would you like to just share, I don't know, a couple of sentences from your end? How are you doing and where were you? And we hope to see you soon. You're on mute, sir, if you're saying anything.
Yeah, I mean.
I'm sorry, I'm talking to Toastmaster Gauri Shankar. Okay.
Sorry, sorry, I was on mute. So thank you for inviting me again. So as of now in my native place, and due to some busy schedule, I was not able to join the weekly meeting. So now onwards, I will try to join in all weekly meetings. Thanks. And sorry for that.
No worries, Toastmaster Gaurashankar. It's a pleasure to see you. Hope your dental treatment worked out well and you have no longer facing any, tooth issues anymore. Toastmaster Deepak, I think it might be time for you to introduce yourself to the club as well. I think we have attended as a guest, but I believe as a Toastmaster, many people haven't had an opportunity to meet you. I think Toastmaster Deepak has left the room for some reasons. No worries. With that said, now I will give an opportunity to all the elected members to come forward in the order and say a couple of sentences of, gratitude as well as what their thoughts and ideas for the upcoming meeting. So starting from the president, Toastmaster Mukul Agarwal, please come forward and share your thoughts and anything else you want to say.
Thank you, Varshit. And first of all, I would like to thank everyone, each and every member who have voted for me. And like it was really like I'm blessed that I got selected as a president. Everyone who have just nominated for this role give their best, and I hope the audience justice with their role. So moving forward, I am looking forward, like we are having the good election EC committee moving forward. We have a Abhishek as a BPE, Monica as a BPM, Ajay as a secretary, and Vikram sir as a treasurer, and Kirti as a sergeant at arm. So I sure like with this energy, we are going to move forward our club to the next level, and each and every member are so supportive of the next EC committee. So I think we are going to do a big change of moving forward in the meeting. And I would like to thank Varshit for conducting the election for this manner that everyone feel connected. So thanks to everyone for nominating me, and thanks to each and every member who have selected for the role. And we are going to do a rock and for upcoming meetings. And with this motto, let the world know, P in Pink City Toastmaster Club stands for professionalism. We are going to conduct our next tenure. Thank you, each and everyone.
Thank you very much, Toastmaster Mukul. Now would I like to invite Toastmaster Abhishek, the newly elected Vice President Education, to come forward and say a few words.
Thank you, Varshit, as the election chair and also the president of the club. Truly saying, I have not prepared my winning speech. Like I'm thinking what to speak. But yes, I am, as I said in my speech, we are about to have a mentor-mentee program with our distributors because I'm already in contact with them. And if ideas good and everything is smooth, we're going to do it in month of January, definitely. And talking about other members, yes, definitely this time election was tough, quite tough as compared to last one. And I love to congratulate all the winners and also to the participants that they have given their best in the speech. They have volunteered. That yes, I feel myself that they think that I feel myself that I can do the role of all these things: Sergeant Ram, secretary, VP, president, membership, PR, everything. That definitely they give their best, and I would like to congratulate everyone. And over to you, presiding officer.
Thank you very much, Toastmaster Abhishek. And now I'd like to have few words. Toastmaster Monica, would you like to join in and continue as a Vice President member?
What shall I say in my thank you speech, Varshit? So, being already aware about the roles, so I can promise that this time I will work with much more zeal and much more efforts. As earlier in my previous term, I was learning, but I'm now quite familiar with this role. So this time definitely will do something more better or something great. So thank you everyone for choosing or not choosing me. I don't know what to say. So thank you everyone. Gaurav, you can copy my speech.
Thank you very much, Toastmaster Monica. Now we'll move forward with Toastmaster Gaurav. Would you like to say a few words?
Yeah, good morning, everyone. For the first time I talk today. So, yeah, as I'm very familiar to this role and will definitely give my 200% for it. So, as
please also bring vegetable salad.
Ajay, please mute. Ajay, please mute.
And he is giving his 1000% for it.
Yes.
Okay. So as I have planned some of the list of what tasks I need to do for this tenure, and I will definitely do all these. And some of these are like running campaigns to grow as a club and grow with some more members, and some more digital marketing skills which have I recently learned. So other than this, learning is just a byproduct, and with some active role we can grow faster. So yeah, I don't want to lose any opportunity, so I just applied and got one. So thank you everyone. I would say selecting me or not selecting me, but yeah, thanks for all what I've gained for this Pink City Toastmaster Club. Thanks.
Right.
Thank you.
No worries. Thank you very much, Toastmaster Gaurav. I would like to invite our upcoming club secretary, Toastmaster Ajay. I would like to say a few words.
Thank you, Toastmaster Varshit, and thank to all EC members to choosing me for secretary. And I'm not expected I will become treasurer. I will become secretary. I guess I will become treasurer because my treasurer is much better than secretary. But I did not get the opportunity to speak. No worry, but I am happy and I am excited to secretary role, and I am excited to learn more thing about secretary and deal with data management. Still, as a sergeant, I did lot of things and play multiple roles. Now I have more time to experiment more things. And congratulations to all new EC teams. And I appreciate to all old EC team, especially if we do not have this time Toastmaster Vachit and Devaj in executive team. We miss you guys.
Well, to be official,
but we will move forward with your legacy.
Well, to be official, as immediate past president, I will be part of executive committee anyway. Just to put it out there.
Oh,
Varshit is not going anywhere.
Great.
He will be there.
I will be officially part of the committee. I think we do not have our reigning.
And thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Toastmaster Ajay. Sorry to cut you there a bit. I don't think we have words to say from Toastmaster Vikram right now. I think first I have to inform him as well. He is not currently unaware of the result. That said, now let's move on to the final, newly elected member of our club, that is Sergeant at Arms, Toastmaster Kirti. Would you like to come forward and say a few words?
First of all, thanks a lot to give me this opportunity for the very first time. I have recently joined this club and I got this opportunity to build up my new skills and stage fear and all, overcome all those things. So I want to just thank you all the members who have voted for me.
Right.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Toastmaster Kirti. I look forward to see more active participation and engagement and how you continue with your role. That will be fantastic. So congratulations once again to all the new CC members. And we would love to see how you will conduct your upcoming turbulent 6 months. Navigating between online and offline meetings if they start, and that will be great. Thank you very much. That said, I think I do not have any closing words. If anybody requests, I will do my closing words of the year towards the in the upcoming year end of the year meeting. So please do not request for the same. Okay. That said, I believe the elections for today's meeting are officially closed, and with that, I would like to officially bring the meeting to an end. If any of the guest Shiv and guest Siddhant, if you have any question, you can stay back and inquire of me, or otherwise we'll be closing the meeting room in next 1 to 2 minutes. Okay?
Do we have Manoj sir in meeting?
No, we do not have any more. He had to attend Titans as well, and he had to drop out in the middle. So we will have words with him at a later stage. Okay? All right. So we're closing the meeting room in next 2 minutes. Anybody has any questions, doubts, confusions, please let us know. Master Monica, please confirm if you have received the contact information of guest Siddhant.
Yeah, I sent it.
Okay, fantastic. Thank you very much, guest Siddhant.
Thank you.
Yeah, Varshit, I already have Siddhant's contact number, so I will get back to him.
All right, fantastic.
Yeah, okay.
Can we leave?
Yes, you are free to leave. The meeting room meeting is officially closed.
Bye, guys.
Thank you very much. I think everybody is leaving. Mukul, can you stay? As always.
I'm
Monica,
staying.
you can. Okay. चलो बाबू, हो गया.